Okay, this week and welcome to our classroom. It's okay to make mistake, not be okay, have hard days, be yourself, not know or at all, try again, ask for help. I know I saw this one at Happy Life. They also have this one, but I don't know, they don't have promotion. Keep going, keep going. Indeed, it's raining again. Yeah. That is the only school supplies. Okay, this is $4. Last day of school, back to school. Happy birthday. I love school. Decors. Oh, $7. Oh, it comes with a thing at the back, right? Yes, $7. Hello, and reversible. Makeovers. Oh, first back to school. Okay, my first day reversible. Good days ahead and good days ahead. Okay, they have this ornament, $10. Oh, this is so cute. They are $6. They're all the same. They have the plain one. Oh, happy Halloween. Oh, that's the candle. Alright. Oh, it's heavy. Are you excited? No, I need to find all my Halloween decor. It's not much. Ooh. These, it's better if it's on promotion, but finally the rain stopped being like pouring rain and thunder. Happy Halloween. Oh, I like this. Can we change it to Christmas after Halloween? But this one is already shaking. But it's too small, you know. Oh, if you want like a pink, come on for a bite. If you want a pink Halloween, I cannot do that because I have boys. I don't think so they're gonna like pink Halloween. Oh, this one. I want to see the price, but they're not on sale at the moment, so they are a promotion. I'm gonna check the prices, but I'll come back. But right now, I'm just looking. Blue and ink. Like that one. We already have Michaels. They already have a Halloween. But they don't have promotion or sale at the moment. Oh, a zombie cloth. This side still empty. Still empty. Do not disturb, beware. Oh, I think this was the last year. Same as last year. What? Oop. So this side is the full section. Look at that. It says stay tuned. For the meantime, that's what they have. And this is the mini karaoke. And they have the Sonic and Power Pop, and there's no strawberry cheesecake. This is so cute. There's so many. I bought the 5 below. They're 4 in 1, but they're plain. This is $6. So how much is gonna be? Regular, so will be $3.99 for this one. They have different colors. And also there's summer stuff. They are 50% off. And those are 60. They're 60. This one is 60. So how much is this? This is $80. So it'll be like 60. You compute. This. How much is this? It's not included in the sale. $6. Okay, I'm whispering. Oh, it's gonna be like this. This is $60. I'm gonna whispering because, you know, I don't want anybody to hear that I'm talking. And yeah. Oh, and these. Oh, I think, is this cheaper? Oh no, I think Hobby Lobby is cheaper, unless this is on sale or something. Are they on sale? I need to check. So these are $9 or $10, and these, let me see. And then the drinkware, oh, cherry, and this is 15, so it will be like $9. They're on clearance. Okay, the Ashland, $6. Oh, look at that. And it's big. Do a charm. Oh, the Halloween. Cute. They're $6. They have promotion. The avocado one. And oh. double wall stainless, $20. They have $4. Or they also have the patch love for $2 and the lanyard $5. Oh, they had $6. What is it? What is it, like tempura? Oh, they have $4 cord organizer. They have journal kit. This eraser, donut, ice cream. Oh, and this one $4. These are sticker rolls. They're not dollar anymore. They are, oh, I like this one. This is $5. Oh, Cowgirl Club $4. You can see the price. They are, where's the price? Final price.